Today, we're here at the factory to explore this ice cream machine that can make money. Just contacted the sales. Let's go and see what's going on. He's already waiting for us. Hello. I'll get you a microphone now, okay? You're the one who's been in touch with me all along, Lily, right? Yes, finally here to see our machines. Come on, let me take you to see our machines. Okay, there are so many colors. I thought there was only this blue color. There are quite a few colors, all customizable. Look, like this blue one. This is from the Forest Island Water Park. This is from our Jinhua Science Museum. And also from Romon, like in 5-star hotels, all customizable according to their logos. How much does one cost now? Around $8,000 now. Prices vary based on different configurations. So if, for example, selling to customers, how much would an ice cream? Well, in terms of price, you can set the ice cream prices yourself. That's right. It can be sold at different prices in different scenarios. You can adjust them yourself. Exactly. You can adjust it by setting through mobile phone app. What about the cost? In terms of cost, for an ice cream, the cost should not exceed $50. That's quite good then. All these machines are developed and designed by yourselves. All intellectual property rights, including software, templates, programs, and all the hardware are done by us. Yes? Then let's go take a look at that one. Hey, what's he up to now?